Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Uyengizwe Mchunu ninophakela umthakathi. Hey, ngiyayibuza ngiyayiphendula futhi ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi lo mhlangano ebenubambe noRamaphosa bengowani, yini lena ebenoyikhuluma noRamaphosa? Nihlangana kanjani nina vele noRamaphosa ekubeni kwayena iSouth Africa ningamdingi? Wayena uRamaphosa egoloza ukwehla esihlalweni enamacala amangaka enokugebenga ungaka uRamaphosa ukulenga phezulu kwakhe. Nina ngizwe nophakela umthakathi, sinethembe kanjani manje oba ngeke sinethembe kanjani manje ukwazi ukuhlangana nomuntu vele obamba iSouth Africa ngobhongwana, ngoba phela uRamaphosa ubamba iSouth Africa ngobhongwana. Wena ngizwe nophakela umthakathi nohlangana noRamaphosa, yini lebenixoxa noRamaphosa eyimfihlo? Ngeke amakhala ke manje na ke ngathi siyawashana ngani ke manje na ke manje ukuthi ke besathi insizwa zakithi nizakahle, nina maniphinde nohlangana noRamaphosa. Ngeke yini lebenixoxa noRamaphosa? Lokho enizobuya senizokutshela abantu ukuthi nokukhuluma noRamaphosa. Ngeke waye lo mhlangano ebenubambile ke makade kumele nibambe umhlangano naye uRamaphosa uJacinta, ngoba uyena umuntu ebesothemba mayisitshela bakhulumeni. Wa uJacinta esale ngaphandle uMangobese. Waye lo mhlangano enubambile beningawenzi live izwe libuka njengoba kwenziwa lapha koMadlanga, silalela ukuthi yini onoyikhuluma. Senizobuya ke nina senizositshela ukuthi nikhulumeni noRamaphosa, siyethembe siyithini leyo nto. Ngoba phela siyazi ukuthi ungizwe wasijikela lapha iSouth Africa yonke ithi yovotela iMK. Ungizwe wajika, ungizwe kadeza kahle wajika wahlangana noRamaphosa kwaphela konke, futhi ungizwe ade kukhulumela abantu abaxayekile. Manje phakela umthakathi, nawe sathi siyakwethemba, nawe futhi ugijima ohlangana noRamaphosa. Bafana bakithi, bobhuti bami, ngeke mina nje ngeke mina ngeke umuntu ohlangana noRamaphosa, mina ohlangana noRamaphosa okanemhlangano eMasithi, ngeke ukumethemba, ngeke ngoba lento esenizositshela yona ngeke bafana bakithi. Hlangana uyini uRamaphosa kithi nje eSouth Africa, yini esingayithemba nguRamaphosa?
Last minute meeting between President Cyril Ramaphosa, Ngizwe Mchunu and Phakela Umthakathi ahead of the 30th of June 2026 protests against illegal immigrants. And I have to admit, I did not see this one coming. It happened late last night. Even the news haven't covered this. I'm one of the few news that has covered it, because obviously traditional newsrooms will take time to break this news, probably break this news at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. But anyways, what's striking and very, very obvious about this image is that Jacinta Ngobese is not here. So what's happening really? Is it like divide and conquer? Is it like President Cyril Ramaphosa, bringing these two closer and pushing Jacinta Ngobese away, like, man. And, when you meet President Cyril Ramaphosa, you come out as a changed man. I wouldn't be surprised, like, after this meeting, these two don't have the same rhetoric as before.
Ngizwe Mchunu kanye nophakela umthakathi kade beyobonana-ke nomengameli uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa beyoxoxa-ke bafowethu, njengoba ke sazi ukuthi kusasa noma namhlanje ekuseni imashi umhla ka-30 June wayi-deadline eyayibekiwe kuphakela umthakathi ukuthi ke kumele ushaye abantu bokufika sebengasekho kulelizwe bafethu umhla ka-30 sofikile somengameli.
And this is kind of scary, especially when it comes to the whole Jacinta Ngobese being excluded here. What does that really mean? Might it mean that after all of this, Jacinta Ngobese might get arrested? Might it mean that these two will be pushed in the forefront of actually fighting against illegal immigrants, but controlled by the state? Because remember, if the state has a voice in what these guys do, they will protest, but won't really, dismantle the whole illegal immigration, I would say, syndicate in a way, because many officials at Home Affairs are involved. So if the state is controlling all of this, it will make it very ineffective. It will be theatrical. It will be nationwide. The government will promote it. They will even talk about it, but it won't have the same impact as if, like right now, they're independent. They're doing it by themselves. Supposedly, they don't have funding from high-ranking politicians. So, Abongizwe Mchunu and Phakela Mthakathi, I would say that their movement is still pure for now.
Bafana bami indlela enibambe ngayo ngokuhlonipha umthetho wezwe nokuhlonipha nokuphakamisa isihlangu sikaZulu sibe phambili okuyiyona nto esiyimele sakuncoma lokho sathi mani qhubekile kusasa qhubekani futhi nikwenze kube peaceful njengoba ke ekunjalo ke nakusasa enganza kwethu ilanga elikhulu kakhulu.
Some people are pointing out that Abongizwe Mchunu and Phakela Mthakathi, they are very aggressive, like, on the streets, talking about President Cyril Ramaphosa and the government. But when they meet up with him here, they're very friendly. And I wouldn't be surprised. Wouldn't you be starstruck if you met the president? Like, no matter how negative you are, as like you are saying, the president is like, saying that let's meet up, let's talk, you come down, which totally makes sense. So, hey, man, to me, this is a good thing that the president is actually meeting up with these guys to calm them down so that there is no violence. But yeah, I'm still wondering about the whole Jacinta Ngobese being excluded. This could actually divide them. Like, because right now, Abongizwe Mchunu and Phakela Mthakathi, they will be pushed on the forefront. They will be seen as the more important people that are fighting against illegal immigrants. And Jacinta Ngobese, man, guys, I wouldn't be surprised if she gets arrested, like, after all of these protests. Because, like, yo, man, things are really going down. Especially that whole connection with her and Jacob Zuma. There have been many speculations, many rumors, and many connections. Many newsrooms have been making a connection that Jacob Zuma, some of his brothers have a business partner. That business partner, her kids, are part of March and March and senior positions at that. So yeah, it's going to really go crazy after all of this.
La mfowethu Ndabandaba akumemezela egameni lethu sonke ukuthi umnqamula juqu wabantu bokufika abangenamaphepha eNingizimu Afrika. Ngakho ke zonke indawo ezizomasha futhi kube indawo eqinisekisayo ukuthi thina njengabaholi bemash eyenzakalayo kulelizwe kwenzeka la sikhona kusasa.
Bafowethu, so mabane ka di-20 tsa June nele mhlangano nele meeting between Phakela Mthakathi le Ngizwe Mchunu a kopanele bafana ba le ba ka marakampa ya government ya South Africa ke bolela ka bafana ba ANC go botsa ka cupcake. So bafana ba le ba ile tafoleng da so ba tshora spraka ba betha speaking for stano re se match o iralang ka tshoko a go be peaceful. So ba magala mo social media ba bontsha Jacinta re se Jacinta hape bafana ba le ba Mchunu le bo Phakela Mthakathi ba thehuile ba na le cupcake go board meeting ga shibale ke bona ba nwa di coffee. Wena wa itse ka meeting o a shula da sister sa motswari yena itse silo le yena that then we win straight mo media. So to mesana so I'm going to ke tlhaka no di drive man you can the South Africa ba tsule numbers via the march and march lo rongwe iralang hore undocumented foreigner ba hate go seni ka marakampa ya South Africa a shifa yena Phakela le Mchunu ba tshwara meeting le cupcake da so go bolela re ke se march o sentsene o be peaceful a re nya ke tlhaka no di drive marambaram so amagala Jacinta ke se ba mo sideline ile wa ba sa motso re meeting o wa iralang wa ba itse ba fana ba le ba mazulu ke skill cop kanda shise ke shoba no ibolela ba le 2 ke se a re nya ke mfazi ya mo ke mmisuni ke meeting wa intsizwa akufuna lo umfazi lapha plus abafazi abaphuza intelezi thina siyada so siphuzile intelezi wayitsi babashapa katswafa asifela ke na Jacinta osamagala mo Facebook ba samutse the comment section ore kuseme bra pe wayitsi ka tabelo ngeirala di sister mazuma ra nna ke disilo le nna ke no di bona mo social media go tshwana le lena ditabatse so ke tlhaka no di drive man di kente at the end I hope ba to reach a decision e one for it ke di drive mo updates ke teng.
While other South Africans are happy that finally Cupcake made the right decision by meeting with Phakela Mthakathi, no Ngizwe, obviously to calm down the whole situation, to calm down the march, others are questioning whatever. Phakela Mthakathi, Ngizwe, what were you doing there with Ramaphosa? Like, what were you doing? And now they're actually not sure whether to trust them or not to. Because, hey, guys, you know what, Nay? This whole thing has left Mzansi divided, has left everyone shocked, with no answers, especially with the fact that Jacinta had no idea. She also didn't know that this meeting was held, which it makes everything worse. Like, it does not make any sense because remember, Upagalam Tagat said they're going to meet Jacinta and, and do all those things, their matches, and yeah, guys, and there is so much confusion, so much division because now everyone is just guessing, worry, what is the meaning of this? Did they just decide on their own out of nowhere to say no, let's leave this one? Is it because she's a woman? Is like what's going on? What is going on, guys? Like yo, Yasin, I really cannot wait for all these leaders to come out and at least address us and at least let us know what they are okay, or or what went down. We don't know, but I just hope they're okay. Whatever that they met with the president was just for good intentions, yes, and they're so okay with Jacinta. That's just it, Nj. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.